Hey guys, so here we are in the next portion of your review here. So here we go. So we have an amplitude of 2, a midline of 1. Now my B value is 2 over 7. We need my period, okay? So period is going to be, let's see, we're going to put it down here. 2 pi divided by 2 over 7. Keep, change, and flip. The 2's cancel, and I get 7 pi. Okay. There are no parentheses here, so my C value is 0, which means phase shift is 0, which is my start. So to calculate end, we add our period and our phase shift together, and we get 7 pi. Okay, so here we go. Midline's at 1. We're going to go up to 1, 2, down to 1, 2. We start at 0, end at 7, and it's a sine. Start in the middle, go up, down, and back. Okay. So let's try this one. My amplitude is 3. My midline, we're adding nothing in the back, so that is 0. Okay. My B value is 3, and I have a C value this time, 5 pi over 2. So here we go. Period is 2 pi over B, which is 3. Phase shift, opposite of C, divided by B. Keep, change, and flip. So negative 5 pi over 9, and this is a start. End, period, plus phase shift. Remember, in order to add, we must have a common denominator, so we're going to multiply by 3. So I get 6 pi over 9 minus 5 pi over 9, which is just pi over 9. Okay, so here we go. We're here at 0, we go up 3. 1, 2, 3. Down 3. 1, 2, wait, 1, 2, 3. Here we start on the negative, and we end on the positive. So I'm going to start somewhere here over the negative, up, and there we go. There's our graph. Okay. Next problem. Now we're going into the sum and difference of sine and cosine. So I need to come up with two angles that will add or subtract to 195. So we're going to use this unit circle. And so I'm thinking 135 and 30. So we get cosine of 135. That actually won't work. How about 135 and 60 though? Ooh. Okay. So the formula is cosine, cosine, sine, sine. A, B, A, B. And because this is cosine, and my students will know it's the clap, we change this to a minus sign. So now we just go to the unit circle. Cosine of 35 is negative square root 2 over 2. Cosine of 60 is So sorry, I lost my spot. 1/2. Sine of 135 is square root 2 over 2, and sine of 60 is square root 3 over 2. So we get negative square root 2 over 4 minus square root 6 over 4. So the best we can do here is this. Okay. Now here's the 165. This one I can use 135 and 30. So this is the first part of the change. Sine, cosine, cosine, sine. So A, B, A, B. Sine, we don't clap or anything, so we're going to keep. So sine of 135 is square root 2 over 2. Cosine of 30 is square root 3 over 2. And then negative square root 2 over 2 and 1/2. So square root of 6 over 4 plus a negative square root 2 over 4. And I'm just going to rewrite this as square root of 6 minus the square root of 2 over 4. So please just remember that we always will have a square root of 6, a square root of 2, and a 4. Okay. So let's come to this one. We're just going to simplify. What was the original problem? So it's a sine equation. Here's my A, here's my B. So negative 6 theta. Give yourself some space, 2 theta. This is sine. We never clap, so we're going to keep this, so minus. So this is just going to be sine of negative 8 theta. Okay. Let's go over here. This is cosine. So we have a 6 theta and a negative 6 theta. And we have a plus sign. Remember cosine, we always change this. So this is a minus, which becomes 2 positives, which will become cosine of 12 theta. Okay. So pi over 9, we got to do some, I lost my calculator. Where's my calculator? We got to do some conversion. So I'm going to do, I'm so sorry. We'll just do some right here. So pi over 9 times 180 over pi, so the pi's cancel out. So we get 180 over 9, which is 20. So I'm going to rewrite this as 20. (11 pi over 9 times 180 over pi. If I remember rightly, I believe that's 19. Let me just go to a regular calculator. So 11 times 180, 1980, divided by 9 is 220. Okay, 220. So this is sine. I'm going to do a 20 and 220. It's a plus sign, so we get a plus. So this is sine of 240 degrees, and 240 degrees is right here. Sine is just negative square root 3 over 2. Okay, so let's do the same thing here. So pi over 18 times 180 over pi. And I believe it's 10. So 180 over 18 is 10. So this is 10. 7 pi over 9 times 180 over pi. So like this, the pi's cancel. So 7 times 180 is 1260. Divide by 9. Ooh, I am so sorry. I went way off. It's 140. So 140. Here we go. So this will be sine of 10, 140. because there's a plus sign and it's a sign, we add. So the question is, what is sine of 50? And sine of 150 is 1/2. Okay. I hope this helps, and I will see you in the next video.